Hey everybody, and welcome to the Atlas Packs Leofoto Quick Release collaboration. Let's jump right into the details here, right? So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to pick your hip belt. I have on the small medium. I'm right at a 32, 33 waist, and this is important because you want the hip belt to go just past your hip bones over here. And the way that the system works is the Leofoto clips clip under and then over both pieces of webbing, right? And this creates a nice secure fit. You can see I'm pulling down, right? So let's tighten the hip belt. First thing you'll notice, it comes with a nice magnetic buckle. You need the buckle because you're going to be putting a lot of weight on here, and so this buckle has been sourced specifically for that purpose. Then you're going to make your choice of either lens feed or Arca clamps. And these work with and are designed to essentially replace the default or work in conjunction with the default plates that are on the bottom of your body if you have a shorter lens like this 70 to 200. And if you've got a longer lens like this 200-600, in the past I had a plate on the bottom that then connected to my hip belt system. So this added a lot of bulk. And I needed to do that because there was no Arca and no other way for me to connect. I can now get rid of all that bulk and replace it with this nice light foot, which is actually longer and gives me better control and balance when I have this lens on a monopod, on a tripod, or when I'm holding it by hand. And when you're out in the field and you're working and you want to change lenses, this task now becomes incredibly easy to be able to do. It's much better, much more comfortable than having all the weight up around your torso. And it's important to make sure that the pin fully depresses and clicks in. It's also important to just keep your hands in and around your gear when you're walking and when you're moving.